Let's talk trade plans for day trading. What exactly is a trade plan? How can you execute the trade plan? And why should you have one? We're going to talk about that and more in this video, so let's jump right into it. My name's Jason. I've been day trading for 23 plus years, so I think I may know something about this. So what exactly is a trade plan? A trade plan is like any other plan. It is something that you plan out before it happens, and then as you go through the process, you stick with that plan. So here's a great example for a day trading plan. Always have an entry, a target, and a stop loss before you actually enter the trade. Just those three things, if you could do, you'll be ahead of probably 95% of all traders out there. We're not going to jump into the market order, hope that the market goes up because we feel it in our gut. No, we want a trade level, okay, above or below the market where we believe the market will reverse and go in our direction, but we're also going to lean against maybe a candle wick low, a candle wick high, a previous candle, maybe a supply or demand level. Those things are going to give us edge. And with that edge is we're able to control and manage our risk. And that is all part of our trade plan. We must always stick with our trade plan to be successful, because that one bad trade is going to blow up your account or maybe wipe out the last 15 or 20 trades that you've done because you were not following your rules in your trade plan. It doesn't have to be difficult to have a trade plan. It just has to be understanding what the trade plan is, what is your trade plan, and how do you execute it. So I will go back and kind of give a quick example of what my trade plan would be on a specific trade. Let's say I'm trading the Waterfall trade setup. Okay, I actually have an ebook, free ebook down below in the description. You could sign up for free. I teach all about the Waterfall, but I might say, hey, if price breaks above its previous candle, I want to get long. Okay, cool. I know exactly where my entry is. Now my stop loss is going to be below the previous candle that made that low. Okay, and maybe by a tick or two on the futures. If you're trading a stock, maybe it's a couple pennies. And then I'm going to look at what the risk is from my entry to my stop losses. Whatever that risk is, I'm going to flip that over and that becomes my target. Most of my trades, I look for a 1-to-1 risk reward. It's the way I day trade. It's what works for me because I look at it over 1,000 trades. If I could have maybe a 70, 75, maybe even 80% win rate on a 50-50, I'm going to make money and I'm going to do very well. Also, part of my trade plan is I don't want to be in the market for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So much could go wrong during that time that I want to be in and out. I call them smash and grab trades. These are trades that I actually could just go in, get maybe a point, 2 points, 3 points real quick, and then get back out. I'm not looking for the big money. I'm just looking to pick up nickels and dimes and make a living that way. I've been doing that for years and years and years now. Now, you see people, oh, I made 10 grand, 20 grand, 30-point moves. Okay, that's fine. That's their trade plan. It's not my trade plan. So hopefully this video helps you to understand what a trade plan is and maybe think of what I've talked about in this video and apply that to your trade plan and create one this evening, because I believe if you actually start to have that trade plan, it's going to make you a lot better trader. So with that being said, thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.